In today's video, we're diving into the anticipated Nikon Z8 II, a powerful upgrade to the already impressive Nikon Z8. Let's explore how Nikon plans to resolve previous shortcomings while pushing the boundaries with brand new features. That could set the bar for the entire photography and videography industry. The Nikon Z8 made waves when it was released in 2023, offering a balance of portability and power that impressed many professional photographers and videographers. Built with many features from the flagship Z9, the Z8 became a top choice among content creators. But, as with any new product, there were some hiccups. One of the biggest concerns revolved around overheating, particularly during extended 8K and high frame rate 4K video recordings. The compact design of the Z8 limited its cooling efficiency, which led to thermal throttling, a problem Nikon eventually had to address with a recall. But that's where the Z8 II, or Z82, has the chance to truly shine, if Nikon gets it right. With an improved cooling system, the Z82 could be a game changer. A more advanced internal heat dissipation system would be crucial for reducing the risk of overheating, especially in high-demand situations. In fact, Nikon could even introduce modular cooling solutions, allowing users to add extra cooling components during extended video shoots, ensuring performance remains top tier. Battery life is another area where the Z8 had its limitations. The NL15C battery was enough for regular photography sessions, but it often fell short when recording high-resolution videos. Nikon could address this with a higher capacity battery or through firmware upgrades that optimize energy consumption. Introducing an optional extended battery grip would also be a practical solution for those who require long shooting sessions without needing to carry spare batteries. The autofocus system of the Z8 was already quite solid, but the Z8L could raise the bar even further. Nikon could enhance its AI-based subject tracking, allowing for faster and more precise focus, especially in low-light or fast-paced action scenes. A broader range of customizable focus modes would provide even more flexibility, and refining the eye and subject detection systems would allow the Z8L to compete directly with other industry heavyweights like Sony and Canon. Adding predictive, autofocus algorithms could make sure you never miss a shot, especially when tracking erratic movements. When it comes to build quality, the Z8 was sturdy, featuring magnesium alloy and carbon fiber. However, some users found the body to be bulkier than some of its competitors. For the Z8L, Nikon could refine the design, keeping it light but still rugged enough for tough environments. Retaining weather sealing would appeal to nature and adventure photographers who need a camera that can withstand the elements. And let's not forget about the ergonomics. More comfortable grip and better button placements would enhance usability, especially during extended shooting sessions. Data transfer and connectivity are also essential for today's photographers and videographers, and the Z8LL could make significant strides in this area. The Z8's dual USB-C ports were a great start, but the Z8L should go further with faster data transfer speeds and improved wireless capabilities. Direct cloud storage integration would make editing and sharing content on the go much easier, and upgrading memory card slots to support the latest CFX press standards would ensure compatibility with the fastest media cards on the market. These improvements would be especially beneficial for professionals working with large 8K files or high-resolution RAW images. Speaking of usability, the Z8's electronic viewfinder and OLED rear screen were decent, but could be better. A higher resolution EVF with improved brightness and color accuracy would make a significant difference, especially for outdoor shooting. Additionally, one of the most requested features by videographers is a fully articulating rear screen. This would allow for more creative angles, especially for vlogs or overhead shots, and would be a welcome improvement for content creators who switch between photography and video. Battery life and power efficiency are crucial for professionals, especially those working long hours. Nikon could take inspiration from other mirrorless models by introducing smarter power-saving modes without compromising the camera's performance. A dual battery system would also cater to users who shoot for hours without interruption. Finally, the Z8LL could offer new features like AI-driven computational photography, real-time HDR processing, and potentially 8K video recording at 120 FPS or 4K at 240 FPS. These innovations would make the Z8LL a highly competitive option in a market that's constantly evolving. Nikon has a real opportunity with the Z8LL to refine and improve upon the Z8's shortcomings while introducing features that make it the perfect tool for both photographers and videographers. With the expected release slated for 2026, the Z8LL could become the next hybrid camera powerhouse. By listening to user feedback and staying ahead of the latest technological trends, Nikon has the chance to redefine what a compact, high-performance camera can do. Keep an eye on this space, it's going to be an exciting ride.